Why is it easy to manifest good intentions or non-harmful intentions? Because they already exist. It is easy to play a note on the piano which emphasizes that note when the note is there and it's already on the piano. It's virtually impossible to play a note on the piano that isn't there. So how is it then that practitioners of black magic, in actual fact, create ill intentions to hurt somebody and have it be effective if they are using a note that isn't on the piano? By making their own fake piano. In other words, we have spoken quite a bit about how realities form, and we have said that a two-dimensional flat space or a reality requires 3 points. In the case of black magicians, they use emotion like pain or something, and they use blood, which is a power fluid, and they need a third object that emits power. The old shadows that were on the earth had the Aztecs and these people gather gold for them, for their black magic practices to control the planet. Gold is such an item of power. You can also have a magical item that is, quote, a power object. But it requires these 3 points. Then they make fake reality, which incidentally is sort of like an elastic band. It has to snap back and hit the one who did it, meaning it creates karma. It's easy, therefore, to do good manifestations. It's extremely difficult to do ones that are non-life enhancing. But now you may ask, why is there then such misery and poverty and hunger on earth? It's not through bad intentions. It is through belief systems. The only time that somebody who creates a fake reality, meaning they do black magic, can injure us is if we believe they can. That opens the door to it. Now, I have in the past explained that there are certain precautions that you take in your life so that it makes you more able to live in a sacred cocoon that's impervious to hostile intent. That is because there are simply times when we are a little depressed, we're a little sick, we're down, or something like that. Until such time that we live our godhood fully, those mechanisms won't even be necessary. But very, very few on the planet are at that point. So we take some precautions and then forget about it. The ill intentions of people, the malice, the greed, these things, are not really what's forming these imperfect realities on earth. It is belief systems. Belief systems causes awareness particles not to flow, but to become structured. It's like they create boxes for themselves that they can't get out of. It seems like you can't get out of poverty because the belief system has erected its walls. That is why we have not really stressed anything to do with be careful that you don't manifest negative emotions. They're very hard to do, and we have good intent. Much love to you, my brothers and sisters.